Look at everything I ordered because I wanted to eat gourmet and I couldn't get gourmet, so I ordered all this. I'm going to try them and rate them out of 1 to 10. That's what people usually rate, right? First up, we have the Dark Fantasy Choco Roll. Oh, there's like so many inside these. Okay, let me try it. It's like, you know the cream you get inside cream biscuit? It's like that. This is a 6 on 10. I'm actually not good at rating, so I might change later.
Okay.
Bro, Chalky has paper rolls. Like, come on. I didn't know that. I thought Chalky made only Chalky. Chalky की तो game up कर दिया यार तुम लोगों ने. This looks like gourmet. Like you know, when you open gourmet in the chocolate in the paper, so like you get one. I think this is all. I don't know. Chalky should just stick to Chalky. We have Maddox. Paper rolls. This is how it looks. And you should take the try. Bro, that smells like Sol de Janeiro ka body mist, if you know what I mean, the yellow color one. If you know, you know, the girls know.
The next day.
Oh my god, this smells like beauty. What the fuck? Hello, hi, welcome back. We're doing another review today. We've ordered random stuff. I've ordered random stuff. But the twist is, today we're gonna review all healthy foods. Jana nahi kiya is not. The first one is from the Cinnamon Kitchen. And dude, MRP is 90 rupees. And okay, I get it, it's healthy, but why is it so small? I think I get why it's so small because I don't think I can eat any more of this. Okay. 4 on 10. We have baked coated peanut, 100% baked and roasted. That's how it looks like. Yeah. Oh, they're crunchy. Yeah, how the fuck are they so crunchy? Can you like hear that? Any like ASMR? Investigation. So there's like a crunchy layer and then there's like a peanut inside. I mean, I'm so dedicated. Like, इतनी dedication से videos बनाती हूँ. Actually, I like this. 8 on 10. The next up we have spiced bhindi. I like bhindi, you know, like bhindi ka sabzi, you know, like. I'm a hater. It's like I'm eating thermocol flavored bhindi. Not bad. 7 on 10. Next up, we have chocolate flavored makhana. I keep ordering it. Like, I don't care if it's healthy or not healthy and all of that. It looks like this. They're good. I love them. Oh yeah, and this is not a sponsor video, just saying 9 on 10. Next up, we have chicken.
2,000 years later.
Hello, I got bored, so I ended up ordering some more random stuff from Blinkit and let's review them. First up, we have this. It's a paper cutter. If I was Deki Sugi from Doraemon, I would have this. Maybe even if I'm Shizuka. So it's like a ruler here, if you can see. You put the paper in and you just... They say the perfect slide, so that's how it works. Do I need it? Absolutely not, but it was very fun to use, so we'll give this 7 on 10 just because, I mean, as a product I think it's a 10 on 10, but I would just use a Kenchi. My Kenchi nahi meri zuban kafi hai, theek hai? Okay, so next up we have this, the Wishcare Air Powder Dry Shampoo. Okay, so let us try this. So I've used a lot of dry shampoos. The thing with dry shampoos is that all of them are sprays and my skin is very sensitive because if I spray, even if like a little bit of it gets here, I used to get like tiny bumps all over my every time I used it. So I just stopped using dry shampoos altogether because I don't want acne, bro. It's okay if my hair is not looking nice. I can't walk around with bumps on my forehead, especially because I don't know, I just don't like it and it's so itchy and all that. No. So, but I recently saw a video of Apurva using this dry shampoo and I got curious, so I got it. Okay, so this has so this has like a cushion applicators, not a spray. You know what I mean? It doesn't really get all over you. Pretty controlled application. Yes. So if you can see, I like the powder is gray and it's not white. So you know what I mean? Like I don't think it's gonna leave white cause. So yeah, just apply it and then give it a good. Interesting. I really like volume in here. I mean, I don't know a single person who like doesn't like volume. Nice. Looks like I just got like a blow dry and shit, bro. I'm too lazy to like take a head bath every day because like I just can't. Okay. Look at my hair. Look at my. No nazar on my hair, guys. Shh. Anyways, I think this is nice. I like this. I would give this a solid 8.5, 9 on 10. Next up, we have highlighters and not just any highlighters. Why do you want normal highlighters when you can have glowy, glittery, sparkly highlighters, bro? Honestly, this was the thing I was like the most excited about. I had these when I was a kid, you know. Mix it up or something like that, and it also like glows and glitters. I don't know. I also ordered a tripod to shoot this camera. ये भाई तुम्हें समझ में आ रही है? Like मैं tripod order की video करने के लिए, and the video is me ordering stuff on Blinkit. Okay, that is all for now. And if you want more videos like this, do comment and tell me about it. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
2,000 years later.
If people can take chai sutta breaks, why can't I take ice cream break? That's right. This is me taking an ice cream break. Yeah, I'm gonna go take my ice cream break. I'm at this right now and I just had my lunch. I had an amazing lunch. I had a thali, but I wanna have something. Corner house. Can I just order it? Yeah, but the point of the joy of going to corner house and having the ice cream is, I don't know. I can't explain it. Yeah. It's so much better to eat it here because when you order it, it's still the same ice cream, but then they send it separate. I don't know. Whatever. It's better. We are done with the ice cream side quest. We're gonna go back to office and start working now. Like I should be in the first place, but yeah, it's okay. I think everybody deserves some mid-birthday ice cream with.
The next day.
क्या मुझे इस बात की रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिलनी चाहिए कि मैं एक बैडी हूँ? मैं सिर्फ एक बैडी नहीं हूँ, मैं स्मार्टी हूँ। कल मैं एक वीडियो देख रही थी जहाँ पे एक बंदा था, उस बंदे को ऐसे बहुत ही ज्यादा PR पैकेजेस मिले थे। वो बंदा ऐसे बोल रहा था, "This is why you should start content creation in 2026, bro, because look at all this stuff, look at all the creatine, protein, pre-workout, whatever I have gotten for free." I'm like, okay bro, nice. चाहे मेरा physical fitness उतना नहीं है, but मैं mentally fit हूँ भाई। अगर फिटनेस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को प्रोटीन क्रिएटिन मिल रहा है तो मुझे भी रिवॉर्ड मिलना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि मैं स्मार्ट हूँ, मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा स्मार्ट हूँ। Playing that, and guys, this is my reward for being mentally fit, for being a smarty and a baddie and a cutie. The last two might not be true, but the first one is definitely true. यार whatever यार, open करता है। Drum rolls, please. Drum rolls. Ooh, we have the shoes, guys. Amazing. I'll probably do like a fit check with the shoes.
क्यों हिला डाला ना